Hey guys, today we are going to be playing Survive a Plane Crash. Crash, survive a plane crash. And it says, will you survive? And it just got all these names on it. It does not tell you about it for some reason, but okay, let's get into the game. I'm a dying cow, Daddy. I'm a dying cow. I'm a dying cow. Oh my gosh, how did I get stuck in there? How did I get stuck in there? Okay, I hate this. I can't move that to the side, sadly. It's an end for a fun surprise. It says, have a nice trip. Well, you too, sir. Dang it, the train has already left. I need something to eat. Okay, we need lots of drink. We need lots of food on the trip. Lots of it. Why didn't it give me any food? How rude. No. Because of that. Okay. It says the door will open when the plane is here. We're also gonna need lots of drinks. Oh my gosh, I'm loving every one of these. I don't need to pay for them, so I don't care. So, yoo-hoo. I'm gonna be so happy. My mom's gonna be so happy. I'm gonna be home I'm gonna be home. And what are all these? Shut up. No, I'm not. I'm just singing. I'm gonna go down here to where I can survive the very awesome plane going. No, better yet. No, don't have a nice trip. I don't want to have a nice trip. Oh my God, what's going on? What is going on? Oh my God.
Oh, you're playing those airplanes?
I'm surviving a plane crash.
Gary, you don't know what's happening right now?
I have to survive a plane crash.
Gary, that's the worst place to be down there.
Because I'm surviving.
You know the plane can wake, right?
Oh my gosh, I'm surviving the plane crash. Oh my gosh.
What's happening up there?
Oh my gosh. I can't. It won't let me climb.
I told you it wouldn't be safe.
What the heck?
You have to be always on the top of the airplane to keep you alive.
I hate them. I'm gonna kill them.
Can't go till the airplane comes back. And the airplane's dead.
I'm not getting no drink or food. Hurry up, plane.
You got free food?
Yeah, you get free food on the game. There's a vending machine. It says, reach the end for a fun surprise. It says the next flight is about to start.
What?
Oh my gosh, this is the best place to be.
Can I do Master Friends?
I don't care, Peyton, what you do. No, because it...
Hey, Gary.
It's always the best to stay at the end of the plane.
Gary, are you on top, boy?
Yes.
You can try the airplane, you know.
No, I can't. That's not how it works.
So, are you scared to die?
Nah. I already know I'm going to survive because I'm smart. The plane hasn't even started. Yes, it has. Oh my gosh. I'm going to zoom out.
Maybe. Oh, God!
Oh my gosh, the plane's leaving now.
Oh, God!
Oh my gosh, why is it breaking?
Robin. Okay.
How is it still flying? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, the back's ripping off. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm going to die.
Where are you?
Right up here. No, I'm not.
You're on the back.
I'm not gonna die. Oh, yes, I am.
Wait, you survived.
I missed the, I have to be in the front. Two more tries, guys, and I'm gonna end the video. This is very fun.
It's recording. Can they hear you?
Yes. Why is it sitting me? I need to get out of here. No. No.
You get all the wings. Oh.
You.
Deep little smile. Did.
It's called Deep Smile Frame. Hello, darkness, smile frame. Well, I guess that's it, guys. I can't play no more because it's such a rip. This game is a rip-off.
Well,
tell me what y'all thought of the game.
Get Starbucks
but
coffee.
I thought it was awful.
Get Starbucks coffee before you leave.
But before I leave, I need my Starbucks coffee.
And cake.
That's all I'm gonna eat.
No more cake? There's some cake in there.
Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful.
But that's not Starbucks.
Well, bye, guys. Love y'all.